Welcome everyone to Abi Whiz presentation. Let's get started. Abi Whiz is a product by ABI-Tech. Abi Whiz HRMS is developed by ABI-Tech. And who is ABI-Tech? ABI-Tech helps companies to transform business from traditional method to modern business method. So ABI-Tech help in the journey of digital transformation. It creates solutions and also it develops solutions to help businesses. And one of our product is called Abi Whiz HRMS. Let us talk about Abi Whiz. In Abi Whiz, we have HRMS. We also have project-based inventory management system, project-based asset management system, project-based resource management system. But in this presentation, we are going to dive into know about only HRMS. In HRMS, we have working time, which is time management system, which manages employee details, time and attendance and leave. Working pay, calculate payroll based on attendance and also allowance deductions. All these are calculated to generate payrolls using a payroll model. Working project, it is very unique to ABI-Tech where we manage payroll based on project also. So we create projects and based on that project, we can create a payroll. So working project model has project-based human resource cost. We can also have project-based inventory management cost, project-based asset management cost. On this presentation, we are just focusing on only an HRMS side. So we will talk about project-based resource management system. We have Smart Track mobile app from Abi Whiz, which helps you to manage attendance based on GPS locations. We provide facial recognition on demand, depend on customer demand. So this is a brief overview of our models we have in Abi Whiz. Let's get deep dive into each and every model. So Abi Whiz helps industries like construction, retail, healthcare, manufacturing, marine, and education. For example, construction, we manage attendance in different sites, and the HQ can able to see what are the attendance are happening in each and every site. So we can manage multiple site and projects using a single application. So this is a dashboard which comes with Abi Whiz, and it helps you to understand how many people are present, how many people are on leave, how many people are absent. If it is a foreign employee, we can manage their passport status and visa status, and it shows when the passports and visas are expiring. We have also projects, which is we can create projects. So here in the dashboard, it shows 38 projects, and we can also manage the amount of expenditures in every month payroll, and it is given by a bar chart. So this is the Abi Whiz dashboard, how it look like. So let us get into the each and every model of this product. So time management systems comes with employee details. So employee detail is like personal information, professional informations, payroll informations, certificate, education, shift, all are managed using a time management module, where payroll management model allows you to calculate payroll based on attendance and also based on holidays, based on allowance and deductions, based on loans, where some companies will provide loans to the employee, and these are all calculated and provided in a payroll as a payslip. We have a couple of structure of payslip. One is summaries payslip, another is the detailed payslip. So we have a project-based resource management model where we create projects and we can define what should be our human resource cost for this project, which location this project are running. All are key in using a project model, which helps in the mobile attendance, where it is exactly every employee clocked in within this project or not. So this we will cover it during a mobile app presentation. I'm not going to talk about a project-based inventory management system. We will see in the next presentation. And we have a unique dashboard, which you can see it in our previous slide. Let me go to the next one. We have a project-based Abi Whiz Smart Track. What is Abi Whiz Smart Track? It's a mobile app which helps each and every staff use their own hand-free mobile and to create a GPS to clock in GPS location for their own attendance. It is very secure because it is based on GPS location of the staff taking attendance, clock in, clock out. And currently we have facial recognition, but we provide only for on-demand purposes. We can avoid people misusing attendance in a different location using a GPS coordinate system. There is a consistent connectivity using an app back to the HQ, as this is all connected to the dashboard in our Abi Whiz web model. So the management can see what attendance are done in the sites using the dashboard. We talked about models, and we have talked about mobile app, and currently now we are going to talk about more detail about each and every model and the screens what we have using our software. You notice that this is setting menu where you can set your company details using this setting menu. So by the by, you can manage multiple companies using one software. This is an employee model. This employee model comes with all employee details. So as I said, you have more than 150 fields where you can store personal data, you can store professional data, you can store payroll data, you can store shift data, you can store certificate data, you can store education data. So all this data are created using an employee model. So let us talk about managed time, where managed time is a model which manages holidays for the country, and we can import holidays based on the countries. We can create shift, and we can create attendance. So attendance can be done in three ways. One is using biometric or any facial recognition hardware. Second one is using our Abi Whiz mobile app, where you can use a GPS-based attendance using the app. Third one, we can use semi-automated way using a Excel, where you can import attendance using Excel. So we've given a flexibility to the customers. So based on their need, they can able to put attendance. So we have a project model, as I said. The project model allows you to create a project for each and every company, and you can put a human resources cost and the location of the project where it is running. So these are all stored using a project model, and this can be useful when we are taking attendance. So the attendance can be clocked in within the GPS location provided using the project. Here we talk about payroll. In payroll, we have few models. I think one is salary component. Salary component is all about allowance and deductions. So you can create your allowance and deduction using a salary component module. And we have, if company provides benefits to employee, then if they provide loan, we can also have a loan model where we can create loan based on employees. And when we do calculate pay run, I think it automatically calculates based on attendance, holidays, the shift time, how much allowance and deductions and loan for each employee, and it is calculated and provided as a payroll. And payroll is in a two form. One is summary format, another is detailed format. So it has the flexibilities of providing two different format in terms of payroll. We have detailed reports. We have TMS-based reports. We have employee-based report. We have payroll-based report. We have extensive reports available in our Abi Whiz HRMS. So customers can benefit by using these multiple reports. So let's talk about Smart Track. I think this is an app, Abi Whiz mobile app. This is how the app look like. If you notice there, you can log in using the app, and you can, based on the location, it gets clocked in. So if you notice there is a GPS location, and it automatically provides the map. When you clock in, the app has the facilities to take a lunch break or outside work or final day clock out. So it has features where allows employee to take lunch break and resume lunch break. When they go out in between work, they can have day work, outside work, and they can come back after finishing their outside work, and they can resume the work. So these are the flexibilities available in Smart Track. So if you want to know more about us, ABI-Tech, please visit this website, www.abitech.com.sg. You also can go for www.abi-wiz.com. And you can follow us in LinkedIn and Facebook. If you like it, please comment on it. And I can connect you in a next video for Abi Whiz inventory and asset management system.